everyone, my name is Mike Van Sickle, and welcome to my course, Adding Graphics to Web Pages Using Canvas and SVG. Humans are visual creatures and often look for ways to enhance our experiences with images and graphics. From understanding complex data sets via charts, to getting the high score in the latest game, graphics are an important part of providing a positive experience for your users. In this course, we're going to explore two foundational technologies for adding dynamic visualization to web applications: Scalable Vector Graphics, or SVG, and Canvases. Some of the major topics that we will cover include how to get started creating Canvas and SVG-based graphics, the basics of drawing shapes, curves, text, and more, how to animate SVG documents using CSS, and finally, how to create a simple sketching tool using Canvases. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use custom graphics to take your web applications to the next level. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the fundamental front-end web technologies, specifically HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to add custom graphics to your web applications with the Adding Graphics to Web Pages Using Canvas and SVG course at Pluralsight.